We're the authors of Paon, Real Balinese Cooking, which is a book that goes beyond the recipes into the culinary culture of Balinese cooking as a whole.
We write this cookbook to celebrate Balinese cuisine and also put Balinese culinary culture center stage among any other cuisine around the world.
There's a really big emphasis on the whole process that is involved in Balinese cooking. So you'll be making your coconut milk from scratch, you'll be double cooking rice the traditional way.
This native ingredient also can be replaced in your home kitchen around the globe.
More than just the recipes, there's a lot of philosophy in there and wisdom that's been handed down from the generations past.
We believe Paon is the first Balinese cookbook written by Balinese people and published internationally. We're very happy to share with everyone in the world.